Are you drowning in debt, have no credit, and struggling to pay the bills? Well, forget Suze Orman and say hello to the #1 financial guru who has helped thousands of people solve their money troubles, Stacey Armande.
Hi, hello. I'd like to welcome you all here today, and I hope that you are all ready to get on track to financial success instead of ruin. So, let's get started, shall we? All right, who would like to go first?
Hi, Stacey. My name is Jessica, and my problem is I really like to go shopping and spend around $1,000 a week on shoes and clothes. Now I have $70,000 in credit card debt, and I was wondering, what should I do to get out of it?
All right, Jessica, I think I can help you, but first let me get a little bit more information about you. What is it that you do, and how much do you make?
I'm a waitress, and I make around $500 a week.
All right. Now let me ask you this. Can you suck a dick?
Oh, what?
It's a simple yes or no question, Jessica.
I guess so.
Now, how many dicks do you think you can suck in a night?
I don't know.
Give me a number and be realistic.
10?
I want everyone to hear this. If Jessica can suck 10 dicks a night, 5 nights a week at $50 a dick, that's an additional $10,000 a month that will help her pay her monthly bills, plus she can start lowering down her credit card debt.
Other financial advisors may give you advice that looks good on paper but won't work in real life. But with Stacey's 10-step program, you'll receive proven methods that will put you back on the road toward financial stability.
Hi, Stacey. My name is Michael, and my problem is that I like to party on the weekends, and I blow my entire paycheck on clubs. Now I'm $20,000 in debt, and I want to know what I should do.
All right, Michael, my first question for you is, do you own a gun?
What? No.
Then the first thing you have to do is invest in one. Now, how many liquor stores do you think you can hold up in a night?
I don't know. 1?
Come on, Michael, you're a big, strong guy.
Maybe 2?
All right, if Michael can hold up 2 liquor stores at $300 a store, that's an additional $3,000 a week, which he can use to live on, plus pay down his debts.
Did we mention that Stacey is also a racist? Who will use racial profiling to custom tailor her program for your specific ethnicity? Stacey doesn't care about being politically correct. She just gets results. Hi, Stacey, I'm Steve. I took out a $5,000 a month mortgage, but I only make $3,000 a month. I've since stopped making payments and the bank is threatening to foreclose on my house. What should I do?
Let me ask the same question to you that I asked Jessica. Can you suck a dick?
I'm a man?
Okay, this is a common misconception. There are plenty of homosexuals willing to pay good money to get their dick sucked. So, if you are a man, don't automatically rule out dick sucking as an option.
All right, I've had just about enough of this. I mean, why are you telling us to suck dick and rob liquor stores? We are all rational, intelligent people here. We can do better than that.
Well, apparently not. You see, most of the advice that I'm giving you is stuff a child should know. It's just simple arithmetic. If you only make $3,000 a month, why would you take out a $5,000 a month mortgage?
I don't know.
That's all right. You see, my program is so simple, even a fool can follow it. Now, are you ready to answer my question?
I can suck 7 dicks.
Wonderful. If Steve can suck 7 dicks at $50 a head, that's an additional $1,750 a week. With that money, he can keep up with his mortgage payments and keep his house.
Stacey's program will knock you off your high horse and put you in your place. And if you order right now, you'll also receive 3 of her best-selling books, including It's Just Arithmetic, Stupid. What the hell were you thinking? And now you have to suck a dick. So call 1-800-555-CASH and put yourself on the path to financial success today.